this being as heavy as they are. Just a reminder, I am not bringing all of these clothes. It's just easier for me to go through them while I have my closet space right here so I don't bring out too much and then none of it fits. So I'd rather just open all of these and right here and then repack them. Now, another thing I'm still trying to figure out is how I want to organize the closets here, because these closets go so deep, but your shirts also hang really low, like they touch the bottom, so it's kind of a pain to like get things in and out that way. So I'm still working through that in my head, how I want to organize all that. Okay, so I got 3 different sizes. I got one of these. This is like the really deep one, the big one. That's what I'm gonna put probably like all my pajamas and stuff in, because I have a lot of comfy pajamas and things like that. Honestly, it's probably going to take up most of the storage. And then I got these long, same like width, just not quite as tall, so they're a little more shallow. Don't know when I'm putting these yet, maybe like t-shirts, I don't know. And then I got these taller, more skinny, narrow ones. Again, I'm still deciding what I need. But I can fit like 4 of them. I think I'm gonna use them for Jack's section. I think I'm gonna keep the bigger ones for me.
So I got all of these bins from Target, which were really nice. They're super cheap and they honestly fit a lot. I have about 6 bins on this side for me, because these go deeper back. I have about 6 bins in there, and I have about another 6 in here for Jack as well. So that fits so many clothes up there. I keep like, you know, underwear, pajamas, workout clothes. I could keep all that in there. And then in our closet, I put all of like my big crew necks and things like that. One of these drawers is my underwear drawer. And then down here, I have my nightstand, which is really nice. And these drawers fit so much in them. This little shelf here, I have this plant from IKEA. This is a candle that Jack and I got at Rock Island State Park, and we have saved it for probably 2 years now, and we're gonna light it once we move into the camper. We also hung up Jack's guitar. He really wanted to find a place for that.
Today I'm gonna focus really just on the bathroom. And for those of you that don't know me, I was a former makeup artist. I was a makeup artist for like 5 years. I still am. I just don't do it full time anymore. And so I have a lot of skincare and a lot of makeup. And if there was one thing when we were buying an RV that I really wanted, was a solid bathroom setup. Because I knew I was gonna have a lot of stuff, and I knew it was probably the one place where Jack really wasn't gonna have anything. So we have these 4 cubbies here. You can only see 2, but there are 4. What's really nice is we have these little bins that I got from Target. 2 of these can fit in here. Like if you can see, I have another one right in here. So that is so nice. I'm gonna put some towels and stuff in there, but it's really nice to have just for like some extra hair care and stuff like that. In here, this is our mirror. So I have 2 of these little shelving things that I got from Walmart for literally like $5. I don't know. They're really cheap. Then after that, we have this amazing drawer here. I'm so happy about this drawer. This is where I'm gonna keep like all my, you know, go-to like makeup and things like that. So I'm very happy about that. And then in here, you can see that we have these 2 acrylic bins in here, and this thing is so deep, it goes so far back. We're able to fit like a small little vacuum in there, all of our cleaning supplies, all that stuff. So I'm very happy about that. This is an emergency trip to Home Goods, so I can start putting some stuff away. It is an emergency. Home Goods is... No, never mind, I'm wrong. It's, no, next one, sorry.
There's a PetSmart right here if you want to get treats.
No, we can get some Home Goods. It's fine. Alright, we'll see you in Home Goods.
The whole goal, the way I understand it, is to find bins for the vertical space in the cabinets above the bathroom.
I want it. I want squeaky bones.
R.I.P. Squeaky Bones.
This one or this one? This one?
I think that one.
This one?
Yep. Well, we didn't get any storage bins, but we did get Squeaky Bones. Ready?
Okay, so here is the finished product. I finally got everything all put away and organized now in the bathroom. So in this corner we have some of Jack's stuff. I have like his shaving stuff, deodorant, stuff like that. And then all of this is mine. It's just a mix of makeup, skincare, hair care. I use a lot of that stuff. I also added in this little hook here, which I think is super cute, and some of my decorations in here. In here is where I keep like all of our immediate stuff, so like hairbrush and like skincare that I use every night. And then under here I added in our like less used stuff. Like I have my hair tools, some cleaning supplies, medical stuff, and then also like my contacts, which also take up a lot of space. So much storage in this, actually. I'm very impressed with how much I was able to fit in here. I have this little rattan thing down here for some extra storage, as well as everything that I put in here. I have a bunch of towels, as well as some more hair stuff and toilet paper.
Fine, I'm not going.
That's it. I'm not going.
Oh. Ah. That's it, I'm not going.
Alright. We need to accomplish something today.
So today's the first day that we cleaned the trailer, and now it is time to hang up some curtains because these black shades are just not very cute. I don't have the curtains yet, but we have the curtain rods, so we're gonna attempt to hang all of those and drill all of those into the walls today.
Okay, pro tip. Go ahead and get yourself some 3/4 inch screws in gold, of course, to match the aesthetic, because the screws that these came with, we're going to punch right through the wall.
Let me get the other one. These are the curtains that I hung up. So originally what I did was save the blackout curtains on here. So we're still able to have the blackout curtains, as well as the sheer like shades and stuff. So at night we pull the blackout curtains down. So I added those. I also used hemming tape. If you haven't used it before, it's amazing. As you can see, you just literally fold up the curtain and then iron it on, and it hems it, and now I got them to like the perfect size.
And what do you do when you're in town with Morgan's parents? You go on the boat. Every single time we go on the boat, we play this really fun game called How Sunburnt Can Jack Get? And how non-sunburnt will Morgan get?
I get really sunburned. I tan while Jack cries, so.
I don't cry. Got a whole bunch of fish, and we're about to lounge and get our drink on here at the sandbar. Okay, so we caught 3 redfish. I'm gonna go ahead and clean them. Get the back of the truck set up. We're gonna go ahead and clean this fish, and we're making like fish tacos or something like that. Either way, I'm gonna blacken this redfish, and I'll show y'all what I do. blackened redfish tacos with coleslaw and a fresh mango salsa. Taste test.
Wait.
Wow. Whoa. All that's left to do is install the solar, and then we get married next week, and then we hit the road. So a lot of things to do in a short amount of time, but we are beyond excited and can't wait to hit the road. So follow along with us.